Okay, so this next part might take a second to understand because when you first look at the graphical part of it, it seems backwards. But this is the distribution of data as shown in a box plot. This first one is a symmetric distribution. That's because the mean or the average is right here, and we have an equal amount of data spread out above and below the mean. We would also call this a normal distribution, and we'll talk more about that later. This one, the data is skewed to the right. In the box plot, it looks like it's the opposite, but it's skewed to the right. It's called a positive skew, but we have to look at the parallel box plot below it. This is the mean of the data, and the majority of the data is to the right of the mean, so that's why it's skewed to the right. In this one that is skewed to the left, or has a negative skew, here is the mean of the data, and most of the data is to the left or below the mean. So it is skewed left with a negative mean, with a negative skew.